Hi guys, I hope you can hear me. I'm whispering because I want to surprise um, some young ladies that work for me at work, and they're just really sweet. And this is their last week working for me, and I just wanted to do something sweet and send them off with a gift. So I made them gift baskets, and I'm going to surprise them with them today. Well, actually, I did one of the young ladies surprise yesterday, and of course, I didn't get it on footage because that's the story of my life. And I'm sorry if I'm talking funny. I have invisible liners, and I'm not used to them yet, but that's a whole other video. I'll catch y'all up on that. You know, I tell y'all everything, but I'm gonna try to do the other young lady surprise today, and I hope I remember to get it on tape because I don't even be thinking like, okay, I need to get this on film. But okay, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Maybe pink like the holes in your heart. Baby pink is my favorite part.
This is Pink, and I'm back with some more pretty things for you. And today's pretty things is more about being pretty on the inside. And I have these two young ladies at work who are just such good people and just help me out so much. So I want to do something special for them. So I'm hopefully will make a pretty basket for them. And like I said, you don't have to spend a lot to make an impact. That's, really what this challenge is about. So I was able to find these cute little baskets for about $5, and I wanted to get them all the same items, but just with a twist. So they have the same items, but like in different colors. So the color theme for this basket is like hot pink, mint green, and yellow. And just by God's grace, I was able to find duplicate items in that color scheme. And so I found this little shower cap and towel set because these girls are in college. So, walking around the dorm room, back and forth to the bathroom, I was thinking they can use this. And I got a good price on these. And so that's going to go in the basket. I also found this cute little thing of cotton candy, and it had the colors, the pink and the mint green, and the hot pink, and has white too, so it just fits really good in with the color scheme. And that was $3.99. So that's going to go inside the basket as well. And then these pineapple candles, they smell so good, and then the color is just so vibrant. And then I found these two big um, bright green bows, and so that's going to go on the outside of the basket. And one of my favorite items that I found is these journals, and it says "Let the adulting begin." And I thought it was just perfect for the phase of life that these two girls are in. And these are just sweet young ladies, college students, and I hope this baskets help them. And then I also found these two face cleanser brushes, battery operated, and I was lucky enough to find them in the color scheme. So that was just like I knew, God's plan. I knew this is something that I should be doing for them. And everything was so cute and just good quality. And so I wanted to show you everything that's going in before I actually had to wrap the basket up because you wouldn't be able to tell what went in. And then just keeping with the theme of the basket with their shower caps and bath wraps and towel sets, I found this shea butter soap. It's just a little something, nothing major, but just to let them know how much I appreciate them. And it costs nothing, people, to do something nice, to just say a kind word and to be nice. And that's why I love my subscribers and this channel, is because if you notice, most of my comments, 99% of them are positive, nice comments from sweet people. And I just love the vibe that we have here on the channel. We're going to keep it going. And, you know, we're going to be pretty on the inside and out while showing each other's pretty things. And so we're going to be pretty on the inside and out. So when I say I have some more pretty things for you, welcome back to the channel. You know, you guys are a part of that. It's the Pretty Things is a club, pretty much a movement. It's a way of life. And I recently hit 2,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited about that because I have over 2,000 club members. It's Pretty Things Club, and we are just going to keep this vibe and this lifestyle going. So this is what I have so far for the basket, and I'll be back with the surprise.
Okay, that's the gift basket. In the second tray.
Is this a basket? Oh my god!
Surprise!
You were doing all of that. Yes, that's why I was just like, can you please just go do it? I was like, no.
She's gonna give it attitude.
Yes, I'm like, girl, just
Oh
go.
my god, thank
Do you like
so
it?
much. Yes, this is so nice.
It was my idea.
It was your idea?
No, just kidding.
I'm gonna pose for the camera.
Yay! It's a video where I'm gonna get snapshots, screenshots.
Alright.
Aww.
Thumbnail.
Yeah, thumbnail for my video. And then this is the other young lady who I surprised yesterday. And of course, I didn't get any footage.
I know. Well, we can just pretend like
Okay.
this is mine too, because
Yes. And this is the other basket that she was given. Do you like it?
yes, I love it. Thanks so much.
Yay!
We really don't have to put in.
All right, can y'all get together and say like, comment, and subscribe to
Alright.
her channel,
What's the channel called?
Pink Platinum.
Pink Platinum. Okay,
Alright,
you ready?
Wait, what are we saying?
Like,
comment, and
to
subscribe.
Pink Platinum.
Yay! And Bad Bees Baskets.
Bring it back.